This time, I swear we're getting this central locking working. Not going anywhere until it's done. Now, if I remember correctly, last time we were just about to bolt in the module with the custom made bracket. So, let's get to that. But first, we need to find a 12 volt power source. So, multimeter on 20 volts. Connect your earth. Start hunting. I think I may have found a possible candidate. I'll stay on there. There we go. That one right there. Now we need to tap into that. What's that go to? I have no idea. But, moving on. Now there's that. And there's the main power wire for the module. Strip that back a bit. Strip that back just a little bit more. What we're going to do with that is we're going to twist that around that wire. And then we're going to solder that and then wrap it in some tape. The earth, well, that'll be easy. There's earths everywhere. There's one there. have had one heck of a time soldering today. First off, the tip was just that grubby, it just wouldn't do anything. So I cleaned that. And then what was happening over there on that door? I got some oil and well, grease and grime on my fingers, and I think that might have been contaminating the wire. So I just had to snip it off, start again without actually touching it. So let's see if this works. This is pre-remote, so that goes down. Okay, unlocking. Well, that one works. I can hear the back one going, but let's just close the doors. Have this in my hand. Let's just, I mean, I'm assuming nothing will happen. Oh, it unlocked. It locked. Let's see what happens with the back. Okay. Unlock. Lock. Well, that's not working. Why? What's going on up here? Unlock. Lock. Righto. That's not doing anything. I know what's happening. The tip of the rod is not locked in, which means that's always going to be an issue. I'll do it now. Unlock. Well, that was lock. That's unlock, and that's actually locked. So I need to reverse the polarity on them. Yeah, they're crossed already, but oh. Hold on a minute. Okay, let's try that again. I've reversed the polarity back to standard. So now, lock. Well, that is locked. And it's doing that. Okay. Unlock. Well, you saw it actuate. No, you didn't. It's unlocked. Locked. Unlock. And it worked. There we go. Alright, I hope this quality's okay. My camera just died on me, but basically what I had to do was completely remake the rod. Okay, we're not focusing. Great. So now it sort of wraps around the little knob at the top and then comes down, wraps back around there. So now it's not going to fall out of place. So, does the whole system work? I'll shut that. Lock. It's locked. Unlock. No. Unlock. Yay. Same with the doors. Unlock. Locked. And we already know the other one's working because it synced with this door. Well, unlock. And there it all is, all tidied away. That's wrapped up. It's locked down under there. Module's nice and secure, that's not going anywhere. That's pretty much it. I just need to get the rubbers out of, well, another car. I have a lead or two on those, but I'm not going to do them just now. because I need to find time to go and get them. But that's about it. Yeah, that's all still apart. Good reason for that. You'll see that in the next video. Well, that's it. That was really tedious and time consuming and difficult. But it's done now. Never need to do that again. Well, not on this car anyway. So thanks everyone for watching. Please like, leave a comment, share, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Whoa, 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 before you go, whatever happened to those broken handles? So many are having a look at these handles, these springs that pop out, and let's get some light. Down here, it's meant to be a little tab. You can probably see it's broken there, and the camera's not going to focus. Yeah, it's actually broken there. There's supposed to be a little post comes up. No, sorry, it's broken here. That's meant to clip down into it and hold that in place. The problem here is it's actually cracked along here, which holds the spring in place. And so I'm putting that down to just poor design, because yeah, I could try and fix that, but there's no guarantee how long it's going to last. So cable tie fix it is. That'll keep it in place, to keep the spring in place. It'll hopefully prevent that from cracking anymore. This one's actually worse than the other side, so hopefully that does the trick. If not, well, meh.